Alright, package is delivered. £77. And for today's video, we're gonna go ahead and unbox our Braum racing seats. Figured it's time for a new makeover inside the car, as I've only actually done the Android head unit. That's the only modification I've actually done inside the car. So time to get rid of the stock Rallyart seats. They're not nice for car roads or anything. And we're gonna go ahead and throw in the Braum seats. So stay tuned, I'll show you guys what I got. And I'll be honest, this was a really pain in the butt to get. Not because of Braum, but more because of the delivery service, FedEx. They had to make sure you went ahead and signed for your box, and I'm never home in time for them to do that, and I commute about an hour away, so it's really hard to get that. Anyways, long story short, had them leave it over at a FedEx facility, and me and my brother went to go pick it up. This was a heavy box, 77 pounds, so nothing to take lightly. But then again, this is for 2 seats, and I don't think the brackets are in here, so we'll see what's in this box. With the big box comes the big Gerber. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. Pretty dang excited. Nice. Pretty cool. Got a nice little Braum hat. Wasn't expecting that. Some hardware, so probably the mounting bolts for the seats themselves. One seat. And seat number 2. Alright, and as expected, all that kind of got delivered in the box were the 2 seats themselves. Still waiting for the mounting brackets, which will be in the mail, I think, here on Wednesday. So I can't really install them yet, but we're gonna go ahead, unwrap them, and I'll show you guys what they are. But yeah, that's definitely all that's in this box. This box itself is like a good 20 pounds, so I think the seats probably both weigh about 15 pounds or so. But enough chit-chatting, let's go ahead, open it up and see what's inside. Now this seat at a quick glance is amazing. That looks so comfortable, and I haven't even sat in it yet. So here's the front. Okay, so it's got the leather, and then it's got the suede down here towards the center, because I couldn't really figure out if I wanted to go leather or not, because here in Florida it gets really hot and you get pretty sticky in leather seats, and they kind of really burn your skin on a hot day. But it's also got the suede, so a good mixture. Little carbon fiber backside, nice little Braum tag, and these are reclinable seats, so we'll see how that all works out inside the car. Bring it outside in the light a little bit. Here's the backside. Of course, you got the Braum right there. All the carbon fiber here on the side. But yeah, just looking at this, since the whole reclining here is on the side, I'm pretty sure this is the passenger side, and that's going to be our driver side. But man, this thing looks pretty comfortable. Just go ahead and take a quick little seat in here. So keep in mind, I'm just shy of 6 foot, 5'11", like 0.8. It's pretty much 6 foot, 210 pounds. And so far this fits pretty snug. I can fit in here pretty well, and already feel like an upgrade. Pretty happy from what I'm seeing so far. So pretty snug here in the waist. My back kind of fits in between the seams. Here are the seatbelt little holes. Fits just above the shoulder, so I think this is a pretty good fit for me. We'll see how much better the fitment is actually inside the car when we go to install it, but so far a-okay. But let's go ahead and grab Heather, see what she thinks about this passenger seat, since she's gonna be the one in the passenger seat most of the time anyways. Alright, I just really awakened you from your nap, but go ahead and take a seat, because you're gonna be the one sitting passenger most of the time anyways. What do you think? Does it feel comfortable?
It's fine.
Or is it like a normal seat?
You can't recline it?
Yeah, you can recline it. It's here on the side.
It's okay. I just don't like this thing.
You don't like the hip supports? Does it feel like it's hugging you?
Yeah.
And she's smaller, so if it feels like she's smaller, so if it feels like it's hugging her, then I think you guys will be good. A-okay. Does it feel like it's holding you in the seat though?
Yes.
Like when I'm driving crazy? Okay.
Did you sit in it yet?
So do you approve?
Yes. Did you sit in it yet?
Yeah, I sat in it. So since the passenger's out of the way, all good, let's go ahead and unwrap this, give it a nice inspection, make sure there's no rips, tears, or anything, and we'll call it a video. So I almost forgot to actually see what was inside here. Instead of just assuming that it's our hardware, let's go ahead and open it up. Nice, we got a nice Braum sticker. And yeah, here's all of our hardware. Here's all of our associated hardware. Yep. So, there is that. Alright, so that's going to wrap up today's little video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the unboxing of my new seat. So, by the way, these are the Braum Elite S model. That's the model that I just picked up. And so far, they're pretty comfortable. I liked it just because it wasn't all leather, it wasn't all suede, it was a good mix of both. And I like the black look. I'm not trying to go anything crazy with these seats. And they're pretty comfortable so far. Other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, as always, lay them down in the comments section down below. I love hearing from you guys, and I'll try to address those questions for you. Other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on idle, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. And real quick, here are the Lancer seats as they stand right now. And I'll kind of go further in detail, more detail with you guys when I do that seat installation. But here's the basic Lancer seats that I have for the moment. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Pretty happy.